Hello, everyone. Dr. Rich Lee here. Today is March 20th, which happens to be the first day of spring. It also happens to be my 70th birthday. And still happy to be alive, happy to be upright, and mostly solvent, and still very happy to still be riding bicycles. And even though as you age, you get heavier and slower, the bikes keep getting lighter and faster, this being the latest one. And one thing about riding as you get older, you may have to add a little more equipment that you didn't have before. First among these are reading glasses. Now, as our eyes get older and stiffer, it's going to be harder to fix the thrown chain or the flat tire or whatever else tends to go wrong. And not only will you need them to fix anything that goes wrong with your bike, you may need them to fix yourself, which brings up the other bit of equipment you need to add, which is a bicycling trauma kit. In here, I have everything for abrasions and cuts and stopping the bleeding and even some medicine to stop the pain. So as we get older, we have to be more careful. And still, yesterday, I was very pleased to find my usual ride that I've been riding for over 30 years. On one segment, I made my fastest time ever, which surprised the hell out of me, although it was a bit of downhill. But not only was the fastest time I've ever done, it's the fastest time anyone my age has ever done. It was the fastest time in that segment that anyone has done this year, including faster than one of my favorite cyclists, former and current world champion, Kate Courtney. So here's to Kate, and here's to old age, where old age and cunning will sometimes win out over youth and agility. So keep riding. Happy to be here, and happy birthday to me.